What do they do on a rainy night in Rio? What do they do when there is no starry sky? Where do they go when they can't go for a walk? Do they stay home and talk? Or do they sit and sigh? Where do they woo on a rainy night in Rio? Where does the gay senorita stay? Maybe the girl wants a tender kiss, and yet, how tender can you get when you're beneath a wet palm tree? But what do they do in Mississippi when skies are drippy? And what are they doing when it's murky in Albuquerque? And what do they do in Tijuana when they wanna snuggle tight? Well, that's what they do in Rio on a rainy night. What do they do when skies are dreary along Lake Erie? And what do they do when grass is dewy in old St. Louis? And what do they do in Tallahassee when a lassie says, all right? Well, that's what they do in Rio on a